Hey guys, welcome back to my channel। आप देख रहे हैं लाइफ इज गुड विद अनुराधा वशिष्ठ और आज का वीडियो बनने वाला है खास। एक नया लॉन्च आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट। And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to it by hitting the bell button. So for all of you skincare lovers, आपसे एक question, why you need caffeine in your skincare routine now? Cause caffeine and green tea is good for fight and prevent dullness, dark spots and pigmentation. Presenting MCaffeine Green Tea and 15% VitaminC Skin Serum. Fights UV damage, free radicals, tones uneven skin tone. Loaded with triple antioxidants, caffeine, 15% vitamin C. And green tea boosts sun protection. To the rescue, MCaffeine Green Tea Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++. Enhances glow, reduces dark spots and pigmentation, hydrating, sun protection, repairs UV damage, prevents tan. The face serum makes your skin even toned, refreshed and glowing. Use it daily, apply a few drops, but hey, wait, don't leave without the sunscreen. MCaffeine Green Tea Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++, zero white cast, water resistant, blends easily. Hydration and barrier repair, green tea, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. All working to give you that perfect glow for the summer, the perfect pair to enjoy the summer season. Use code COFFEE20 for 20% off on MCaffeine.com. Also available on Amazon, Nike and Flipkart. If you have liked my video, do give me a like, comment and share it with everybody so that everybody gets a glowing, beautiful skin. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.